Fresa Technologies is providing a complete neutral IT solutions for freight forwarders, and one of our service is business process outsourcing. BPO is basically outsourcing some of the non-essential internal business activities and operational process to a contracted third-party service provider, thereby transferring responsibilities to perform as per agreement. In freight forwarding and shipping industry, there are lots of data entry work required in all business segments like sea freight, air freight, transportation, non-vessel operating common carrier, courier products and third-party warehousing. A business organization can choose and transfer some of their non-essential activities to a third party so that they can continue to focus on their primary business activities. There are two ways of increasing the profit. Most of the organization focus on sales to increase the profit. In the current highly competitive environment, organization has to focus on reducing the cost, increase the efficiency of the process, thereby improve the profitability. Fresa BPO division is having 20+ years of experienced professionals in shipping and logistics industries and offers best business process outsourcing solutions and services that enable clients to optimize the costs and improve the profitability. The main purpose of freight forwarding and logistics is to determine the key tasks and goals to making businesses run better. BPO helps to enable this focus, but doing it successfully requires an outsourcing partner who brings resources, industry experience and sound knowledge in the business. Fresa Technologies will be your ideal outsourcing partner, which gives full guidance throughout your business operations. Fresa Technologies can help you to reduce your operational cost by 50% or more. We are providing 24/7 customer support for our valuable customers. Fresa Technologies provides trustworthy freight forwarding BPO services to provide better cost benefits. For more information, kindly visit www.fresatechnologies.com. Thanks for watching.